Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I came back home yesterday very late, and as usual there is no light, so I have to make the unboxing outside. So this is everything I bought, and let's unbox together. If this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. Please be kind enough to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Do not forget to click on the all notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to my returnees, mwah, hugs and kisses. Let's get going. First things first. Yep. I got this cute teddy bears water bottles, so it can be used for water bottles or juice bottles. Got it in two colors for baby Jayden. Please, if you hear any background noise, I'm a mom, so take it like that. Jayden does, you can't tell Jayden to keep quiet now, so take it like that. So I bought two in two colors. You see? Teddy bear for juice bottle. Teddy bear juice. Yes, baby.
It's like bottle, but it's not bottle shape.
Dancing. Yay.
Wow. Camel.
Yes. What color is this?
Pink.
Pink. And what color is this? Brown.
Brown.
Jade,
The
PDF I can come.
So this is for Brielle. And this is for Jayden. So that's what I got. And I got them for 4,000 naira each. It has, you can press it here. So it has two openings. So either you want to use the straw or you drink it like that. Or you drink it without the straw. And then it also came with Mama, excuse baby. So this is the straw. This is the belt. The strap, the handle. And it also came with some stickers. So you have stickers that you can stick on the body of the bottle. So, and other stickers too for the body of the bottle. So I'm going to be doing that. I'll show you guys later on. So that's all it came with. And yeah. Okay, so, and I got them, like I said, for 4,000 naira each. What's that? What is that? What's that? Okay, so I got this other water bottle. I got that bottle. It's an just like this. So you just expand it. You expand it and it comes up. You can fold it back. You expand it for water. So I got it for Brielle. How much did I get this? I think 2,000 naira. I got this for 2,000 naira. Then as you guys know, our food is about to be lit with this crinkle cutter. So I got some crinkle cutter and I got this for 700 naira, guys. Guys, this crinkle cutter, they're selling it online for 2,500 and I got it for 700 naira. Some cutleries. This is 1,000 naira. This cutlery is too online. You see it like 2,250. Then we have straw brushes. These brushes, you can actually help. It can help you to wash the straws in the water bottle. And I got this for 1,500. But online, they're selling it for 4,000 naira. Guys, online market is a scam. So guys, my daughter has been crying every time I want to talk about, mommy, buy me Sophia bag. Buy me Sophia bag. And we finally bought Sophia. And we finally bought her the Sophia bag. Think if you do like it.
And Sophia is good.
Sophia is cute. Do you
It's
like
not
it?
nice.
Let me make it for you.
Looks like a water bottle. For my lunch bag.
Yeah, I'll fix it
But this is not too big for her.
Oh, yeah, come closer, let me see for you. Wow! Wait. Wait. Wait, don't worry. Oh, yeah, turn your back, let's see. Yay! What did you say to mommy?
Thank you.
You're welcome. So guys, I got the bag for 8,000 naira. And then I got a lunch bag. This lunch bag, I don't really like it because I walked around. Okay, hold on, let me show you guys. Before I show you the lunch bag, let me show you why I bought this lunch bag. So this is her food flags. What she's gonna be putting food in school.
Be shift.
Come this way, baby. Yeah, come closer. So this is it.
Mommy, my lunch bag.
Yay!
My lunch
So
bag.
this is what she's gonna be taking food to school, and it's quite big. And I got this for 8.5.
My lunch bag.
So I took it to the market. I was looking for a lunch box that can contain it very, very well. That's why I got this lunch box. So I got this lunch box for 8.5. And hold on, baby, hold on, okay? Hey, God. Unboxing when children are around.
Be wait.
So guys, this is the lunch bag. I don't like it. This is the handle. I don't really like it because of the color, not because of anything. It's insulated, but just because of the color. I feel the color is fine. It's matured, but I feel it should be for a boy. You know, it doesn't really go with the school bag. So I think I'm going to get another one. But I think I got this for 4,500, and it fits this lunchbox perfectly, and there's space left. And what else? Yes! So guys, I actually bought this because of Jayden. But I know very well that this madam will not allow me. She's already so excited. Mama, you're going to have to share with who? Your brother, okay? So I bought these building blocks, and this one is 78 pieces. We got it for 5,000 naira, just for them to play with, especially Jayden. And my baby has been crying for popsicles. Ever since she just seen popsicles on TV. Mommy, buy me popsicle. So I finally bought the mold. Guys, this popsicle mold, this 10 hole popsicle mold is being sold on Instagram for like 12,000 naira or 10,000, I think.
Mommy, put the popsicle
See
down.
your daughter's lunchbox.
Hey, see my baby's lunchbox. See my baby's lunch. Come and stand this way. So I bought these for 7,000 naira. Comes with a small funnel. Hold on, baby. So this is the mold. It's silicone. So
Mommy,
just fixing whatever you want to fix and freeze.
Mommy.
It also actually came with a brush. Hold on, baby. With some sticks, popsicle sticks, and
Mommy, you
nylon
don't
wraps.
stop the bag.
And I got all this for 7,000 naira.
no, you don't stop it, Bob.
So guys, like I said, buying things online is a
Mommy,
scam.
you don't stop the bag.
I'm coming, baby. So I
Mommy.
bought these for her school.
Mommy,
So I'm gonna be trying it
Mommy,
on
you're
her,
right.
see if it's gonna fit
Mommy,
her.
you're right.
I got these for
Mommy, you're right.
4,500.
Mommy, you're right.
Going to
That
get
one.
not
But
say
it's
that
very
again.
fine. I'll return it. 20. Guys, this is size 28. Can you imagine? Oh? I think I'm going to return it. It's like exactly her size, and she wears 26. So I was thinking, this is 28. It's gonna be big, but I think this is small 28. I'm going to return it. And I got white sneakers for okay. You take
What
it back.
sneakers? How many?
So this is just a poppet bag. I just got 2,000 naira for fancy for her to play with.
Play with.
I say play with. I had to go like an outing bag, you know. So I got these. God, Bri, come and try. This is size 27. So I got this size 27. Let me see if we have to return this one too. Like I said, she's wearing 26.
I'm coming.
I don't know, and the 28 they brought was looking so long. Hey, Mama, come and try.
Mama, carry your clothes up.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
I think this one is okay. Guys, you see, this one that is size 27 is big for her. There is a space here and there is space here, meaning I have to actually put something inside. And this is size 27. Meanwhile, this shoe that is showing size 28 is very small. This she can wear this, so I'm not returning this. I bought these sneakers for either between 4,500 and 5,000 or 5,000, I think, 5K. But I'll check my list later on and put it on the screen. And then the jug for my
Juice maker.
for the juice maker broke, so I just had to get something that fits. I got this mini bowl that can serve also 700 naira. Like I said, I got this for 200 naira. 2,000 naira. And I got a ribbon, 500. I got some panties for her. These panties, 6 pieces. I think 2 4. And singlets. She has singlets, so I didn't really buy much. She has pants, that's why I didn't buy much. So this is 3 for 5 and 6 years, and I got it for 2,000 naira. And I got some earrings for her, which is not here. I got it for 1,500. I think that's all I bought. That is all.
Show me what's there.
And they're showing you already now. Smile now. Jayden is leaving the blocks and be playing with something else. So guys, that is all I bought. I'm going to make my calculations and insert it on the screen so you guys know how much I spent, plus transportation, plus every other miscellaneous, eating and everything, buying this bag and everything. So I'll let you guys know. And yep, thank you guys for watching. And yep, happy resumption week. I really don't know when this video is going to come up, but yeah, thank you for sticking. Please don't skip my ads, guys. Do not skip my ads. Jayden, come back.
Jayden, come back.
Don't skip my ads, guys. And give this video a good thumbs up, share it, and see you all in my next video. Bye bye. JJ, 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 JJ. Hi. Oh, see my favorite too. Hi. Hi, baby. Do you like your bricks? It's for you and who?
Jayden.
Look at me. Look at me. Who is it for?
For Jayden.
Okay. So you have to share it with you. With who?
Not playing.
You have to share it with who?
Jayden not playing now.
And when he wants to play, you have to allow him to play, okay? Remember, sharing is...
Scary.
Look at me and say, sharing is what?
Scary.
It's caring. Good job. So what are you building?
House.
A house? Okay. All right, no problem. Build on. What did you say to mommy?
Thank you.
Did you like your Sophia bag?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Aya Farouk and everybody say hi. Jayden does not know how to talk though. So we're ready to start building a truck. Let him touch. Let him leave it for him. Let him hold it. Let him hold it. If not, I'll collect it from you.